Hey, what's up guys, this is Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel, TheLeiaV. If you're watching me in this video for the first time, then thank you so much for taking time out of your day to click on this video and watch this video. While you're here, if you like what you see, then perhaps you should consider subscribing. All that will be needed for you to do is just to click on the subscribe button right down this video. There will be a bell next to it. Make sure to click on it just so that you'll be updated whenever new videos go up live on my channel. If I have not mentioned already, my name is Shanti. I'm from Singapore and my YouTube channel usually revolves around beauty product reviews, makeup tutorials, productivity tips, and digital tools to achieving the girl boss lives of your dreams. And I upload new videos every Tuesdays and Fridays at 6 PM local Singapore time. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a little bit about my recap for the month of May, so let's get into it. Start to May was an amazing, exciting one, and I'm talking about having Masala Coffee live in Singapore, performing in front of a live audience, and I am so amazed once again by the music that they can create on stage. I love hearing them, and I actually did a Get Ready With Me live on Facebook. If you're not following me there already, please do so. I'll put a link to my Facebook page right down this video. The video right here, you click on the eye and it will bring you straight to the video where I show you how I'm actually putting an outfit ensemble together along with a very dark brown smoky eye, and I also donned a bindi and I had a lot of fun. I met a few of you guys down there and I'm so happy to be able to just be in an audience listening to some really good music. Following close behind, I did a product review for the Innisfree Auto Eyebrow Pencil review. I'll put a link to it right down here where I share with you my thoughts and impressions, and I have been trying the product out for over about a month or so just so that I can come up with a personalized review and opinion about it, and I really like that product and it's only $6, and I should definitely recommend that you check that video out where I talk you through and I show you a little bit about how I use the product and how you can use the product for yourself, and it's only just Singapore $6. I also had a few requests about how we can achieve a close to flawless kind of foundation finish, and I also have a video on that where I show you the kind of products that I actually have been layering on top of my skin. The completed finish of that foundation look I have been really loving, and it's just a base of a lot of nice products that lay nicely on top of my skin, and they keep my skin looking really nice and fresh and dewy and flawless. And I'll put a link to that foundation tutorial right up here. Soon then it was the Mother's Day weekend where I just sit down. I actually wanted to have a quick chit chat with you guys. I was just all over the place and I just wanted to touch on certain topics that are quite dear to me and I have experienced in real life, and I really hope you enjoy watching. If you have not watched that video already, I'll put a link to it right down here and you can click on it. And I do have a little bit of Tamil speaking going on in that video. If you're interested to know how I sound like speaking Tamil, then you can definitely watch that video. Spring snuck up on us real quick and it's only going to be getting hotter, and we are already diving into summer right now. And I actually put together a natural spring makeup tutorial based on just a very nice looking, clear looking skin that has a lot of products eliminated like contour, highlight, and I've just stick with bronzer, and I've also skipped eyeliner for this makeup look because very appropriate for office going, college going, polytechnic going students. And if you're someone who loves and craves a very natural looking makeup tutorial, you will definitely love that tutorial for sure. Click down here. A TheLeiaV family member, her name is Marianne Vincent. If you're watching this video, hi Marianne. And she had requested for a halo gold berry eye makeup look. Just a few easy steps and several amount of blending process is required to achieve the halo golden berry eye makeup look. Followed by that video is also another video request I got from a few of you guys. Quite a number of you had actually DM me on Instagram to find out how I'm actually getting ready for a work day. I share with you the steps that are involved on a working day. Like today I'm filming this day, and the part 2 of this filming, part 1 of my work day involves a lot of shooting and filming videos, and part 2 involves a lot of editing process, and part 3 involves around a lot of drafting of blog posts for my blog. And yeah, I'll just talk you through how the steps are involved and also show you what are the back-end processes that are required. Like I really need to clean my house and mop my house, make sure that I have dinner and lunch for my family. The next video is a very interesting one. I've actually had an opportunity to sit down for a really interesting exercise work session. Exercise as in like a workout, body workout routine. And this place is actually located at 72B Race Course Road. It's called the Kuthu Fitness. And if you're someone who really loves and is craving a good 80s and 90s Tamil Kuthu party button, and you can definitely sweat your heart out in this fitness workout. You have a lot of fun doing so, and you also get to make a lot of friends. And I'll put a link to it right down here. This is a sure must watch if you're someone who craves a lot of Tamil Kuthu song. And that's it for today's May's recap video, guys. I really hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you're newly watching my video, I'll put a link to my May playlist just so that it will bring you through all of the videos that I've mentioned in this video. And if you're not subscribed already, what are you waiting for? It's completely free of charge. All that is needed for you is just subscribe to this channel by clicking the subscribe button right down here. Make sure to click on the bell next to it just as well, so that you'll be updated and notified whenever a new video goes up live on my channel. If you would like to know more about me, then head on over to my blog at www.TheLeiaV.blogspot.com. Link to it will be right down this video, and a lot more information and pictures will be available for product reviews and makeup tutorials. I also have a newsletter that I send out every first Friday of the month with a lot of exclusive sneak peeks and discount codes for a lot of top secret things that I honestly don't share anywhere else. If you like to get on that bandwagon, then do so. You can sign up for my newsletter down in the info bar below. And that's it for today's video, guys. I shall see you in my next video. Bye, guys!